Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Paper coinage video. Today we are going to talk about one of the most colorful and beautifully designed commemorative coins released by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas this 21st of May, 2026. The brand new 100 piso Pahiyas Festival Commemorative Coin. This coin is part of the Philippine Festivals Commemorative Coin series, a special collection that celebrates the rich culture, traditions, and festivals of the Philippines. And for this release, BSP highlights the famous Pahiyas Festival of Lucban, Quezon, one of the country's most vibrant harvest festivals. So in this video, we will discuss the history of the Pahiyas Festival, the meaning behind the coin's design, its silver specifications, unique security and artistic details, and why collectors are excited about this coin. So stay tuned until the end. What is the Pahiyas Festival? Before we talk about the coin itself, let us first understand the meaning behind the Pahiyas Festival. The Pahiyas Festival is celebrated every May 15th in the town of Lucban in honor of San Isidro Labrador, the patron saint of farmers. This festival is a Thanksgiving celebration for a bountiful harvest. Residents decorate their homes with colorful agricultural products, vegetables, fruits, rice grains, flowers, and the festival's most famous decoration called Kiping. Kiping are colorful leaf-shaped rice wafers made from rice flour. These are attached to houses to create bright and artistic displays throughout the streets of Lucban. During the festival, homes compete for the most beautiful decorations, turning the entire town into a giant outdoor art gallery filled with colors, creativity, and Filipino tradition. The word Pahiyas comes from the Filipino term payas, which means to decorate or beautify. Over the years, the festival has become one of the most famous cultural celebrations in the Philippines and attracts thousands of tourists every year. The new BSP Pahiyas Festival coin now. Let us talk about the commemorative coin itself. The BSP released this coin as part of its Philippine Festivals Commemorative Coin series. According to BSP, only one coin is allowed per customer to ensure fair access to collectors. The coin has a denomination of 100 pesos, but because it is made from precious silver and produced as a commemorative collector's item, it is sold for 5,000 pesos. This release is especially exciting because it combines Philippine culture, history, religion, and artistry into one beautifully crafted silver coin. Coin specifications. Let us now look at the specifications of the coin. The Pahiyas Festival Commemorative Coin has a denomination of 100 pesos, composition of 99.9% silver weight of 31.1 grams, or 1 troy ounce diameter of 38.6 millimeters. Because it is struck in .999 fine silver, many collectors consider it both a collectible item and a precious metal investment. The coin also features colorized elements, textured details, and micro-lettering, making it visually stunning and highly detailed. Obverse design details. Let us examine the obverse side of the coin. At the center is a portrait of San Isidro Labrador. San Isidro Labrador is known as the patron saint of farmers, laborers, and peasants. Since the Pahiyas Festival is a Thanksgiving celebration for a successful harvest, his image perfectly represents the spirit of the festival. Surrounding the portrait are symbols of harvest, representing abundance, prosperity, and gratitude. One of the most noticeable elements is the colorful Kiping icon, inspired by the famous rice wafer decorations used during the Festival. The coin also includes decorative border patterns, inspired by traditional Pahiyas Festival house decorations. Another interesting detail is the 5 diamond designs on the border. BSP stated that the number of diamonds corresponds to the month number of the festival. Since the Pahiyas Festival takes place in May, the 5th month of the year, the coin contains 5 diamonds. The coin also includes ethnic-inspired textures and banderitas patterns, giving it a festive Filipino appearance. And one of the coolest security and artistic details is the micro-lettering that reads, Pahiyas Lucban. Micro-lettering is extremely small engraved text that adds both authenticity and craftsmanship to the coin. Reverse design details now. Let us move to the reverse side of the coin. The reverse incorporates symbols and elements from all 12 Philippine festivals included in the commemorative coin series. These elements form a giant lantern-inspired festive design. This artistic concept symbolizes unity, celebration, Filipino culture, and the diversity of Philippine traditions. Instead of focusing only on one festival, the reverse side connects all the festivals together into one grand celebration. This makes the entire series more meaningful because each coin becomes part of a larger national cultural collection. Why? Collectors love this coin. Why are collectors excited about this release? First, the coin celebrates Filipino culture and heritage. Second, it is made from 99.9% pure silver, making it valuable not only to coin collectors but also to silver investors. Third, the artistic design is extremely detailed and colorful. The combination of traditional Filipino patterns, harvest symbols, religious imagery, and modern minting technology makes this one of the most visually appealing BSP commemorative coins released recently. And finally, limited availability increases collector demand. Since BSP limits purchases to 1 coin per customer, many collectors believe these coins could become highly sought after in the future. The importance of commemorative coins. Commemorative coins are more than just money. They preserve history, culture, and national identity. Through coins like this, younger generations can learn about important Filipino traditions such as the Pahiyas Festival. Coins also serve as miniature works of art that capture important stories and celebrations. In many ways, commemorative coins become historical treasures that future generations can appreciate. Final thoughts overall. The BSP Pahiyas Festival Commemorative Coin is a beautiful tribute to one of the Philippines' most colorful and meaningful festivals. From the image of San Isidro Labrador to the vibrant Kiping-inspired designs, every detail reflects Filipino creativity, faith, gratitude, and agricultural tradition. Whether you are a coin collector, silver investor, or simply someone who appreciates Philippine culture, this coin is definitely a special addition to any collection. And with its limited availability and impressive silver content, it may become one of the standout releases in the Philippine Festivals coin series. Lastly, what do you think about the new Pahiyas Festival commemorative coin? Do you plan to add this coin to your collection? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Philippine commemorative coins, silver collectibles, and BSP releases. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Sayonara! Please subscribe on this channel, like and share this video. Thank you.